Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vectorspace AIX token. Quite a long name there. Ticker symbol is VAIX. Now this token just got at least one or two very big central exchange listings today. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Vectorspace Bio. It says, we launch biological CubeSats while applying language modeling AI to data for the purpose of accelerating solutions in precise medicine for all of mankind. Has a link to their webpage right there. Vectorspacebio.science. They have a blue verified check mark. 622 posts, 23,900 Twitter followers. And this token here just got two brand new central exchange listings. So today, February 18th at 12 o'clock UTC time, this token got listed on Mexc Global and on Weex. So two very big central exchange listings today. So if you're looking to get this token here, all you would have to do is simply, if you don't have a Weex or Mexc Global account, I have both of those referral codes down there in the description box, so you're welcome to use those if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Weex or that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search VAIX and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's some other very big central exchange listings today also on Mexc Global and on Weex. So make sure you check out all the other videos on the channel today if you want to see what other big projects got listed on there. So besides that there, they have a web page, they have a document section. You can find this token on Etherscan. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. It says 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 150 million VAIX tokens with 947 holders so far. So they have a paper. Actually, the paper takes you over to prnewswire.com. It's a press release regarding this project. But tons of the info here you're just going to find on the web page, which is linked on the Twitter there. And then you can also find tons of other links on the web page. So it says Vectorspace Biosciences is accelerating discovery for the benefit of all of humankind. To establish a lunar base or go to Mars, understanding how to protect and repair the human body during spaceflight is required. In collaboration with our scientific labs, we use advanced language modeling and a network of scientific data engineering pipelines to produce datasets that accelerate the probability of discoveries connected to stressors and countermeasures that protect and repair the human body during spaceflight and on the ground in the form of precision medicine for all of humankind. It says the challenge, stressors during spaceflight include microgravity and radiation. New insights in human biology can result in better understanding of key targets and key effects impacting human health in space. So the goal, the development of countermeasures may include personal multi-omic profiling using new biological insights associated to molecular compounds and materials, enabling new therapeutic solutions not just for astronauts but for everyone on Earth. The purpose: Vectorspace Biosciences aims to benefit any group involved with launching life into space. So our technology, it says, hidden relationships, new insights and discoveries are usually the result of hidden relationships. Context dependent. Context is everything. With proper context dependencies, artificial intelligence and machine learning pipelines can minimize a loss or increase signal. They have real time at scale. There are about 4,000 peer-reviewed published scientific papers every 24 hours in the National Library of Medicine, Medicine's PubMed. Real-time visualization of data sources is key as published data grows exponentially. Also, data set security, provenance, lineage, and governance must include immutability, which we handle using the ERC20 blockchain. And there's a section where you can click to learn more about the technology. It'll take you over to vectorspacebio.science/technology. Now it says their partners are Morningstar, Imperial College London, UCL, Oracle, NVIDIA, etc. You can learn more about the partners. Now at the very bottom of their webpage too, there's all sorts of links to socials. So they have Medium articles that you could read. They have a Reddit you could follow. Discord you could join. They have the Twitter in the corner of the screen. They also have a Telegram. We'll have a look at that in a second here. And you can also click on Solutions, Our Technology, About Us, Careers, Press. And so you can see that news article I was talking about, contact information, and then info specifically about the token. So the Telegram, if you want to follow that, this is the community chat Telegram. Just click on the link at the bottom of the page. It's kind of a mess. The address is like a mess of numbers and letters and whatnot and symbols. But they have 6,267 members, 348 of them are online. So just like the Discord, that's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members and talk about the project. So definitely check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.